It's a great day for hockey cards, and today we're going to take a look at 2019-2020 Upper Deck Series 1 hockey. Been holding on to this box for a while. Actually, I have a couple boxes of this. I paid $70 US for it. There's the odds. We've opened a few boxes of this in the past, so I'm not going to get into too much details. Obviously, what we're really looking for in here is some quality young guns, and there are a few in this series. Of course, Jack Hughes, first overall pick, Victor Olofsson, Rasmus Sandin, Ryan Poehling, Adam Fox has been a recently, well, as of last season, emerging player, so his young gun is now pretty well sought after, and Dominic Kubalik. So those will be the guys that we're searching for in this box. Sidney Crosby on the box cover. Get her all set up here. Upper Deck Synergy 2019. Get your packs 2 years ago. Let's get right into it. Getting ready for the Stanley Cup Final to start on Monday. Montreal and Tampa. Who do you think's going to win? Let me know in the comments below. Antoine Roussel, Mark Stone, Alexander Radulov, Brady Tkachuk, Generation Next, Yanni Gourde, Mikael Granlund, and Brian Rustash. Oh, one more card, Mike Hoffman. My pick, I know I have a lot of Canadian viewers, but I got to go with Tampa Bay. Just think they're the better team, although I will admit if Montreal wins it, I will not be upset because their run through the playoffs has been quite the story. Jordan Wheel, Morgan Riley, the Nuge. We've got a pure energy of Brad Marchand. Oh, we just pulled one of these in our previous box, but here's a clear-cut foundation for the Red Wings, Dylan Larkin and Franz Nielsen. How about that? So it's like on 2 consecutive boxes of Upper Deck. Pulling clear-cut foundation cards. How about that? Wow. Dylan Larkin, Franz Nielsen. That's nice. Back to that pack. Josh Anderson, Dylan Strome, and there's Franz Nielsen's base card. David Severson, Alexander Barkov, Dylan Larkin, Justin Schultz. We've got a pure energy of Connor McDavid, Seth Jones, Chris Tierney, and Thomas Chabot. Zdeno Chara, Max Domi, Corey Crawford, Generation Next of Nolan Patrick. Recently read a rumor that said he wanted out of Philadelphia. Not sure why. Patrick Hornquist, Darren Helm, Warren Fogle, and Eric Gustafson. Correct me if I'm wrong. Patrick has, I believe, faced a bunch of injuries and hasn't really made the impact that they thought a second overall would. I don't know what kind of leverage that gives him in demanding out. Filipino, Cal Clutterbuck, Ryan Ellis, and we've got a young gun of Daniel Yurtakin. It's our first young gun. Daniel Sprong, Braden Holtby, Radek Faksa, and Brent Seabrook. Noah Hannafin, John Klingberg, the King, Tyler Bertuzzi, and an Upper Deck Portraits. Man of the hour in the NHL right now, Carey Price, Connor Sherry, Casey Cizikas, and Andrei Svechnikov. Tyler Johnson, Ilya Kovalchuk, Nick Leddy. Oh, and there we go. There's our first overall pick. A young gun of Jack Hughes. His play started to pick up. A lot of people think he had a disappointing rookie season, but Probably has a promising future ahead of him. Mr. Jack Hughes. That is a nice one to get. Dougie Hamilton, Nikolai Ehlers, Tyler Bozak, and Leo Komarov. Victor Arvidsson, Louis Eriksson, Hampus Lindholm, Darnell Nurse, John Tavares, Pavel Buchnevich, TJ Oshie, and Jason Zucker. Evander Kane, Brendan Dillon, Duncan Keith. There's another young gun, our third one of the box. Philippe Myers for the Flyers. Cam Fowler, Connor Hellebuck, Mikko Koskinen, and Nick Bonino. Brian Little, Nick Bugstad, Jesperi Kotkaniemi, Paul Stastny, and we've got an upper deck canvas of Travis Zajac. Looks like he's celebrating a goal there. Cody Eakin, Nikita Kucherov, and Jake Muzzin. Brett Pesce, Cal Turris, Jacob Silverberg, and we've got a Jimmy Schultz Young Guns from your Vegas Golden Knights, Matthias Ekholm, Mark Stahl, and Nick Ritchie. Cam Atkinson, Oliver Bjorkstrand, Ryan Reeves, Lars Eller, and upper deck canvas of Robert Thomas. There's Nolan Patrick again, Philip Grubauer, and Carter Hart. Eric Stahl, Rupe Hintz, Chris Kreider, and we've got an upper deck game jersey of Alexander Radulov. White piece of jersey there. Alexander Wenberg and Charlie Coyle. Alex Pietrangelo, Keith Yandel, Matt Calvert, a young gun of Connor Clifton, James Van Riemsdyk, Matthew Barzal, Elias Lindholm, and Tyler Seguin. Jeff Petrie, Robert Thomas, J.G. Pageau, and we've got a shooting star, Connor McDavid, Thomas Hertel, Michael Kempney, and David Perron. Marcus Sorensen, Christian Dvorak, Taylor Hall, a pure energy of Cam Atkinson, Johnny Gaudreau, Blake Coleman, Bo Horvat, and Alex Chasson. Teuvo Teravainen, Jake DeBrusk, Shea Theodore, pure energy of Nico Hischier, Anthony Cirelli, Frank Vetrano, Jacob Chikrin, and Matt Dumba. Mark Scheifele, Victor Hedman, Jonathan Quick, a young gun of Josh Brown, Tyson Jost, Andre Palat, Mackenzie Blackwood, and Rasmus Dahlin. Sam Reinhart, Jesper Fast, Oscar Lindblom, Philip Forsberg, Upper Deck portraits of Matthew Barzal, Ryan Strome, Drew Doughty, and Christian Fisher. Before we get too far getting into these last packs, I wanted to announce our next contest. So to enter the contest, all you need to do is sub to the channel, like this video, comment hashtag 8500 because we're celebrating our 8,500th subscriber, and let me know what got you into collecting cards. The prize is going to be this box of 2020-2021 Upper Deck SPX. The contest ends July 31st, so get your entries in the comments below. And let's get back to our break. I think that's actually the most expensive box we've given away on the channel, and that's all thanks to all the support we get. I basically take the revenue I make from YouTube and buy a box and give it away to the channel, so I really appreciate everybody who watches the videos. JT Comfer, Zach Hyman, Brandon Saad, Nino Niederreiter, Vitaly Abramov, Upper Deck Portrait Rookie, Matt Murray, Essa Lindell, and David Krejci. Jonathan Taves, Elias Pettersson, Jesper Bratt, Josh Bailey, an Upper Deck canvas of Josh Bailey. So both kinds of Josh Baileys. Lots of celebrations on the canvas we've pulled so far. Samuel Girard, Ryan O'Reilly, and Freddie Anderson. Bobby Ryan, William Nylander, Marcus Foligno, Sid the Adult. We've got an Upper Deck canvas of Adam Henrique. Jumping over the boards there. Max Pacioretty, Philip Deneau, and Martin Jones. One thing that's interesting is Vegas got eliminated in the playoffs this year. I was reading an article about how disappointing it was that they were eliminated, and I can't help but laugh a little bit because they went from, Cinderella story expansion team not going to win anything to all of a sudden they're disappointing everybody by making it to the Final Four, which it's always disappointing when you get that close and don't make it, but I found that amusing. John Carlson, the Hammer, Braden Shen, and we've got a UD30. We've got a Wayne Gretzky here. What year is that design? I'm not sure. What year's that design? If you know, let me know in the comments. Him there, very happy in his King's outfit. Roberto Luongo, Kyle Palmieri, Dominic Simone, and Kasperi Kapanen. Final pack. We've got Brad Marchand, Zach Bogosian, Ricard Raquel, and we've got an Upper Deck 30th anniversary of Patrick Waugh, Oscar Klefbom, Evgeni Kuznetsov, Brent Burns, and Thomas Tatar. So there you have it. Overall, I'd say it's a pretty good box of 2019-20 Upper Deck Series 1 hockey. Don't forget to enter the contest, win this box of SPX. And as always, I thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.